Next, chapter 10, ratio and proportion. Okay, ratio and proportion. Again just start the first exercise 10a. Just see the first question. Express each of the following ratios in the simplest form. So 96 is to 144. So we have to write in simplest form. Okay, so 96 by 144, you write like this, and now we can cut it. Okay, so you can cut by 2 here. If you cut by 2, 4 2s are 8, remain 1, 8 2s are. You can divide also. Okay, again cut by 2, 7 2. If you cut by 2 means both you have to cut by 2. If you cut by 3 means both you have to cut by 3. Okay, so again cut by 2, 24 2s are, 36 2s are. Again cut by 2, 12 2s are, 18 2s are. Again you can cut by 2 also. Now 12 18 is easy to cut by 6 also. Okay, 6 2s are, 6 3s are. So it's easy. So answer is 2 by 3. We can say 2 is to 3 is the simplest form. Understood? And next one, question number 2. 6 is to 7.5. Okay, so that means we can write here 6 by 7.5. So here point is here, so what you will do, you will put 0 here and we can cut the point here. Okay, now we can cut by 5. 12 5 0, 15 5 0. Again cut by 3, 4 3 0, 5 3 0. So answer is 4 by 5. So we can write 4 is to 5. Understood? And the third one, 2 2 by 3 is to 1 3 by 4. So first you will change this one. 3 2s are 6, 7 8. Okay, 8 by 3 is 1 3 by 4 means 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. Now we'll find out here 8 by 3 by 7 by 4. So 8 by 3 into, take reciprocal, this is 4 by 7. Okay, so is it possible to cut here? 8 4s are 32 by 21. So the ratio is 32 is to 21. Okay. Next, question number 2. A student solved 6 out of 10 problems correctly. What is the ratio of the correct problem to the incorrect one? Okay, a student solved 6 out of 10 problems correctly. So out of 10, 6 is correct. So correct one is 6, and incorrect one, 10 minus 6 is 4. So therefore the ratio between to the correct problem to the incorrect one. So correct one is 6 and incorrect one is 4. So if you cut this one, 2 2s are, 3 2s are. So 3 by 2. So you can write answer 3 is to 2. So the ratio is 3 is to 2. Okay. And question number 3. A petrol tank with a capacity of 100 liters has 25 liters of petrol in it. Okay, find the ratio of the liters petrol in the tank to the capacity of the tank. What part of the tank is full? Okay, a petrol tank with capacity of 100 liters has 25 liters petrol in it. So capacity is how much? Capacity of tank, okay, equal to 100 liters. And the petrol is how much is here now? Petrol in the tank? Petrol in the tank equal to 25 liter. So the question is what's given here. Question, find the ratio of the number of liters of petrol in the tank to the capacity of the tank. So the ratio equal to, so what's given? Find the ratio of the number of liters of a petrol in the tank to the capacity. So liter is 25 and capacity is 100. Okay, liter will cancel it. 25 how many times in 100? 25 4s are 100. So we can just write 1 is to 4. Okay, and what of the tank is full? Okay, and the second one is what's given? The second one, what part of the tank is full? So the ratio is 1 is to 4. It's 25 liter and total is 100 liters. So we can straightly write here 1 by 4 part of the tank is full. We can just straightly write it. Okay, 1 is to 4 we got, so 1 by 4 of part of the tank is full. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. Question number 4. there are 2000 students in a school. Out of them 850 are boys and the rest are girls. Find the ratio of. So total number of students is 2000. Okay, and out of them boys, how many are there? So number of boys is 850. Okay, therefore number of girls is how many is there? Number of girls equal to 2000 minus 850. So that means 1150 will be girls. Okay, so in 1150 over, and now the question was given, the first question, find the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. So number of girls by number of boys, the ratio. So number of girls is 1150 and by number of boys is 850. Okay, so we can cancel 0 0, we can cut by 5, 23 5 0, 17 5 0. Okay, so answer is 23 by 70. So the ratio is 23 is to 70. And the second question, number of boys to the number of students. So number of boys by number of students. Okay, so number of boys is 850 and number of students is total is 2000. So here will 0 0 will cancel, will cut by 5, 17 5 0, and here cut by 5, 4 5 is 20, 0 so 40. So answer is 17 is to 40. So that's the ratio. Next question number 5. Out of 450 apples in a shop, 85 apples are found to be rotten. Find the ratio of rotten apples to the good apple. Okay, so here total number of apples, how many? Total number of apples equal to 450. Okay, and 85 apples are found to be rotten. So rotten is how many? 85. Okay, therefore the good apple, how many are there? Therefore the good apples, 450 minus 85. So 450 minus 85 is 365. Okay, so therefore we have to find here the first question, rotten apples to the good one. Okay, first one is rotten by good apple. So rotten one is 85, good apple is 365. So you cut it now. 17 5 0, 7 5 are 35, remain 1, 15, 7 3 7. So 17 by 73. And second one, good apples to the total apples. So the good apples by total. Okay, apples. So good apple is 365 and the total apple is 450. So you got it. This is 73 50 and this is 9 5 are 45 and 0. So the answer is 73 is to 90. Okay. So that's over for question number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6, 7, 8 is your homework. Okay. So you try yourself. The same model of this question number 3, 4, 5 we did. The same way you try yourself. Okay. Question number 6, 7 and 8. This is your homework. So you try yourself. Okay. And next one we'll go to question number 9. Okay. Won't do all these questions. Okay. I'll just do some selected questions which is important questions. Okay. Or which one you need to know. Okay. That questions I'm doing now. Now we'll do question number 9. Aditya walks 18 km in 4 hours and Vihan walks 11 km in 2 hours. Find the ratio of their speed. Okay. So the hints is given. We know the formula. You have to know the formula. Speed equal to distance by time. Okay. So the first one is Aditya 1 walks 18 km. Distance is given. And time is given 4 hours. Okay. And the second one again, Vihan one is how much? Walks 11 km in 2 hours. So again, speed for that Vihan 1, distance by time. So distance is 11 kilometer by 2 hours. Okay, and find the ratio of their speed. So we are going to find the ratio of their speed. So ratio equal to, first one is 18 by 4 is to 11 by 2. Okay, 18 by 4 is to 11 by, so we can cut this one. If you cut this one, 2 2s are 9 2s are, so we can say here 9 by 2 is to 11 by 2. Okay, so now we can write this one again here. Equal to 9 by 2, we can just write by 11 by 2. Okay, so we can just cancel this 2 2, so answer is 9 by 11, so the ratio is 9 is to 11. Okay, so the ratio is 9 is to 11. Now question number 10. Okay, question number 10 is was given, express each of the following ratios in simplest form. So it's given 25 centimeter to 1 meter. Okay, so that means 25 centimeter we can just keep the same thing, and to 1 meter means is 100 centimeter. 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so we can just write here 25 by 100, so answer is 1 by 4. Okay, so the ratio 1 is to 4. And the second question, 85 paise to rupees 5. Okay, so we can say here 85 paise, we can just keep the same thing, and 1 rupee is 100 paise, so 5 rupees means 500 paise. Okay, so 85 divided by 500. So if you cut it, tell me how much here. If you cut here 1750 and 100, so answer is 17 is to 100. Okay, and now the third one. Third one is 3 kg to 500 gram. Okay, so question number 3 is 3 kg to 500 gram. So 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 3 kg means we can say here 3000 gram to 500 gram. So we can say 3000 divided by 500. Okay, so if we cut it here, 2 zeros cancel, 5 6 times, so answer is 6 is to 1. Okay, so that's over. The remaining you try yourself. Okay, and I'm going to do again here. We have already said not doing all these questions here. So from this exercise I'll do again question number 13 and 14. Okay, 13 and 14 will do, so that will finish this exercise. Okay, so next one is 13 will do. 13 is what's given here. Find the equivalent ratio of 14 is to 42. So what you can do, 14 by 42 you write. First you divide by, you can cut by 2 here. 7 2s are 14 and 21 2s are. So the answer is 7 by 21. So 7 is to 21. So 1 ratio. Again we can't cut, so what we'll do, again you write 14 by 42. You better multiply by 2. Okay, so 14 2s are 28, 42 2s are 84. So the answer is 28 is to 84. Okay, so you can multiply 3 4 5, like 3 by 3 4 by 4. We can get lots of equivalent ratios. Okay, but they're asking only 2, so I'm writing here only 2 here. Okay, and now the last question, question number 14. Question number 14, the first one, see, compare the ratio 4 is to 7 and 5 is to 8. So 4 by 7 and 5 by 8. So the 7 and 8 you find here LCM. Okay, 7 and 8 LCM. It will be how much here? 56. Okay, and now here you just write it this one, 4 by 7 into, you can get here LCM is 56, you write it here, and 5 by 8, you write LCM is 56. So 7 how many 56? 7 8 star, and 8 7 star. So 8 4s are 32, 5 7s are 35. So here which one is a big number here? 32 by 56, 35. So this one is bigger. So that means 5 by 8 is bigger. Okay, so that means surely we can know 35 is greater than 32, is it? So therefore we can say 5 by 8 is greater than 4 by 7. Okay, 4 by 7. And question number 14, second one, you try yourself. Okay, so that's over for this exercise.